You lot are bloody insane. Oh my God. Here is everything you're going to need for this. So first off, we're going to start with my chicken tikka. This dish is traditionally used with smoked and dried meats. This is like a chicken tikka, tandoori style chicken. It goes beautiful with this dish. It's what gives this dish its distinct sort of flavour profile. Ghee butter, a tomato chopped, wedged. Here we have a little bhuna with vegetables. We've got half a white onion chopped, along with a red and green pepper chopped. Here we have a handful of chopped coriander leaves. And if this curry isn't as hot enough as it is, we also have 3 dried Kashmiri chilies, 4 green chilies sliced. We have a wedge of lemon, a spice mix here, 2 tablespoons, yeah, I'm serious, 2 tablespoons of extra hot chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, coriander, methi leaves, tandoori masala, and half a teaspoon of cumin. And here is the secret ingredient. This is Mr. Naga pickle. This is extremely hot. Be very cautious with this. And you want to keep this high up in your cupboards, away from your kids, because you don't want your kids mistaking this stuff for jam and whacking it on their toast. Because I'll tell you what, they'll be having the week off school and you'll have to explain to the teachers why you've melted your kid's tongue off. Seriously, it's that hot. Tablespoons of ghee butter. Let that warm up. Let's add our vegetables, onions and peppers. We cook these down now until they're soft, 2-3 minutes. Okay, they've all softened nicely. So, tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay, next, chef spoon, tomato paste. Okay, next, all of your spices. Pinch of your coriander leaves. Kashmiri chilies and green chilies. Okay, now, your tomatoes. And 1 heaped teaspoon of your Mr. Naga. I mean, you can have more if you like, if you're that insane, but seriously, this is so hot, this curry already. This is absolutely going to send it through the roof. So 1 heaped teaspoon. And don't get any on your fingers and start scratching your eyes or your balls. Going to add a little touch of my base gravy, just so nothing burns. Like I said, you can add water. I prefer to use a bit of base because it's got flavour in it. Oh my God, I can smell the heat just through the aromas. Now, salt to taste. Your chicken tikka, or tandoori chicken. That's also going to add another layer of flavour to this curry. Wow. Now we're going to leave that for 2 minutes, let all the spices marry with the chicken, let it penetrate the meat, and then we are going to move on to the base. Okay. Little squirt of lemon. And then your base gravy. Two chef spoons of this. Turn it in. Now we're going to crank the heat up slightly. I'm going to let this go now for about 5 to 6 minutes, let it all caramelise, and then we are done. Oh, okay, we are done. I should never have tasted that. But I do tell you what, apart from the heat, it is like the devil, I'm telling you. The flavour is absolutely really, really nice. There's a lot of flavour to it, all those chilies as well, they do give a nice balance of flavour. But we're done now, you can see, look, all the oil is split from the gravy. We are ready to serve. Oh, sod that. Telling you, this is just the devil. So hot. Actually smells really, really nice. It's very deceiving, I'm telling you. Move these chilies about. So they look really nice in this curry, don't want them to be hid. Oh my god, I'm not putting my finger in that. So, coriander leaves, as if that's going to save you. A little garnish of lemon, and there you go. There is your ridiculously hot naga fowl. Good luck everyone.